Hi and welcome to this video. I want to cover why this course is different to all the other Jenkins courses you're going to find online. You're going to learn how Jenkins is used in industry, and I can't stress this enough. Especially when I was trying to learn Jenkins, there's a lot of material online and a lot of tutorials tend to go the easy route. They'll show you the nice graphical interface, you'll make some changes in there, and that'll be it. Then when you go into the real world, it's completely different. What we use in industry is something called declarative pipelines. We configure our Jenkins pipelines using code. Now, some courses touch on this lightly, but this is going to be the primary focus of this course. And I'm going to share a little story with you. I worked with engineers who hadn't used Jenkins before. They would watch a few tutorials, whether it be Udemy, Pluralsight, or another platform, and they'd come back and they would have a task or a ticket to say, we need to make a change to this pipeline. And they'd go, brilliant, where's the interface? And we'd point them to the Jenkins URL. They'd start looking and get a bit confused why it didn't look like what they had seen in the tutorial. And the reason for this is they were so used to using the graphical interface, setting up very basic pipelines, or not even that, very simple Jenkins jobs, that they weren't aware of declarative pipelines or what the code even looked like. So by the end of this course, you are going to have a solid understanding of Jenkins. It's a bit of a bold statement I'm going to make now, but if you were to apply for a job and you saw Jenkins in the list of requirements, you would feel confident going for that role, because what you're going to learn is based on what is used in industry. And that's one of the things I really try and stress with all my courses and why I like to make them differently. A lot of courses, very heavy on PowerPoint and a nice, simple, friendly introduction. Whereas mine, I absolutely steer away from PowerPoint. In fact, this is probably one of the only PowerPoint slides you're going to see in this entire course. But it's always based on industry experience. My goal is by the end of this course, you are going to be a Jenkins expert. You're going to be feeling incredibly confident. And whether you need to use Jenkins for your job or you're applying for a role, I want you to feel absolutely confident. So now let's go ahead and jump into the course.